In our modern working lives, we spend about 5 to 6 hours at our computers, at our desks. Add to that about 3 hours on our smartphones, plus the commute, either you're driving or on the train, and it leads to many, many hours where you are curled inwards. So I'm going to show you a couple of simple ways to broaden your chest and combat that desk-bound tightness. Seated cat-cow. Place your hands behind your head, your elbows are out, take a deep, big inhale and stretch backwards and upwards. Exhale, fold forward, elbows to touch, and really rock back and forth, finding where your upper back tension is. Inhale and up, exhale and round. Do that for about 1 minute and you will start to release that desk-bound tension.